guys, it's
Cam.
and Kadie. I'm American.
And I'm from Ireland, and we live in Spain with our little baby girl.
Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, some information about Cameron. He actually went to an all Irish speaking school, so he's fluent in the Irish language. So we were thinking for Christmas we could share 7 common Christmas phrases or Christmas terms in the Irish language.
If you are new to our channel, please make sure to subscribe so that you can stick around and see more of the videos we put out. As Caitlin said, I'm fluent in the Irish language, and I'm excited to teach Caitlin and you guys some of these Christmas sentences or terms. You ready?
I'm ready.
Have you got your pronunciation hat on? Okay, the first one is NOLLAIG HONA DUIT.
NOLLAIG HONA DUIT.
Good job. Or NOLLAIG HONA DIV.
Or, NOLLAIG HONA DIV.
DIV. So the first one, NOLLAIG HONA DUIT, is Merry Christmas to you.
Okay.
And the second one, NOLLAIG HONA DIV, is Merry Christmas to you, plural. So like you're saying it to a group.
Okay.
The next one means it's the season. You know, like in English you'd say it's the season to be merry, or you know, if you're shopping and things,
or tis the season.
Tis the season, yeah. Or if you're shopping and like things are crazy, you're like tis the season, you know.
Okay.
She SEASÚR on NOLLAIG.
She SEASÚR and NOLLAIG.
I have missed Caitlin's pronunciations of the Irish
what
language.
What is it?
She SEASÚR.
She SEASÚR.
On NOLLAIG.
On NOLLAIG.
E. And the direct translation is like, the season is, it's Christmas. Like, you know, like tis the season.
Tis the season. Sorry, I got distracted too. Sophie just woke up.
She just woke up and she was staring straight up at us. We were not expecting it. The next one is mistletoe.
Ooh.
You would not think this word means mistletoe, but it does.
What is it?
DRUALAS.
DRUALAS.
And if you're under mistletoe, make sure to not be doing any drooling under the DRUALAS, because you ain't going to be getting a kiss. And what happens under the mistletoe? Pogue. You kiss. The next one is one of my favourite ones. I'm excited for Christmas Day dinner. Who wouldn't be excited for Christmas Day dinner?
I am.
TÁIM SÚIL.
TÁIM SÚIL.
DINNÉAR.
DINNÉAR.
Lá na NOLLAIG. Lá na NOLLAIG.
Lá na NOLLAIG. So you guys say la DINNÉAR. Okay, cool. That's the dinner.
It sounds French. You ready for the full sentence?
Yeah.
TÁIM SÚIL. DINNÉAR. Lá na NOLLAIG.
I'll pass on this one.
The next one is a very traditional and common cheers. So like if you're wanting to do a toast. So if you're wanting to make a toast or give a cheers, this is a very common sentence in the Irish language for that. And it basically means like the cheers is like, that will still be here next year. It's like, hopefully we'll still be alive this time next year.
Oh, cute.
MBEIRIMID.
MBEIRIMID.
BO.
BO.
ATHBLIAIN ARÍS.
ATHBLIAIN ARÍS.
ATHBLIAIN.
Okay, I give up.
ATHBLIAIN. ARÍS.
ARÍS. I nailed it.
MBEIRIMID BO ARÍS. The next one is quite a common one, especially for the kids. Where are my presents?
¿Dónde están mis
regalos? But that's the wrong language.
Feliz Navidad.
Will.
MBEIRIMID. MBEIRIMID. That one's so easy.
Last but not least, this is how you say Happy New Year. ATHBLIAIN FUIL.
ATHBLIAIN
FUIL.
ATHBLIAIN FUIL.
FUIL. Oh my goodness.
Are you laughing?
ATHBLIAIN
Aflin
fuivashe
fuivashe
dit or aflin fuivashe div.
Aflin fuidashe div.
Close enough. And it's actually, the direct translation is like a prosperous new year rather than just happy new year.
Oh, okay.
So it's like a prosperous new year to you or a prosperous new year to you, plural.
Okay. Well, thank you for teaching that
so
to
yeah,
us.
there you go. Pretty
Didn't
straightforward.
learn much, but
no, you did. Caitlin, in 4 or 5 years time after we do all these Irish videos, Caitlin's just gonna randomly start saying stuff in Irish.
I do sometimes. Kanisatatu.
Yeah, kanisatatu.
How are you?
Yeah. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed learning some terms and sentences in the Irish language for this time of the year. Try to share them with some people you know. Maybe send someone a voice message or say it to someone in person and see if they have any idea what you said, first and foremost. And secondly, see if they can guess what language you just said that in. Comment below if you end up doing that. We want to hear your stories. Yeah, tell us how it went. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.